Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to embed YouTube video on Reddit. So this is very simple. First go to a YouTube and select the video that you want. So let's say this one, click on these three dots and then share. Now just copy this link, copy, then close it and then go back to Reddit, click on create and give your post a title. So I will give it the title YouTube with, and right now simply type a text. So click here and select the text, click on a link button and then Command V to paste the link right here and press save. Right now when you post this post, you have to select the community first, of course, and post it. You could see that when I click to open up my post, I can simply click on this text, click here, and it will open up the video. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.